Hello, my name's Hemingway Jones and I make videos about fountain pens for curious people. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm very excited to share with you a new fountain pen from Nahvalur. It's their Horizon collection and this pen is the Aurora. Let's take a look together. So I'm super excited to share with you today the Nahvalur Horizon fountain pen. I am super excited to share this one because it's a little different for something that is only $168 full retail. This pen features an in-house nib. Just absolutely amazing at that price. Wow, look at this. Look at this pen, my friends. Is that not absolutely gorgeous? Just absolutely stunning. In this beautiful resin that's handcrafted with all of this depth and charm and variation. Wow, this is just amazing. Let's get the cap off. Look at this wave pattern. That's really charming and beautiful. It's absolutely amazing. Wow. I'm looking at the etching on the cap, and right off the bat, you can see I'm really happy with the fact that there's a bit of metal here to protect this beautiful, beautiful cap. The wavy pattern is nice. I can see it's sort of evocative of waves. There's a lot of nautical themes to these pens. I get that. I probably would prefer it if it were just flat, but that may grow on me. It's an aesthetic choice. It's certainly not a deal breaker for me, but a pretty interesting cap, certainly right off the bat. I also quite like this clip. It's very, very pretty. Very gorgeous clip and just an incredible styled cap. And then let's put the cap down for a second. We have a beautiful ink window. Get this out of the way. I quite like that ink window there. You'll be able to see your ink capacity. And another great thing about this pen is that it has a piston fill mechanism. So that once again, from a value proposition, you're getting piston fill, you're getting an in-house nib, stainless steel, but it's also available with a gold nib if you want to spend a little extra. And just an absolutely gorgeous pen body with incredible depth. I hope it's picking it up. I might add some additional B-roll before I post this just to get a sense of how gorgeous this pen is and this incredible variation here, this light to dark. Just absolutely stunning. In a beautiful gift box. Just pretty great pen. We'll just have to ink it up and see how it writes. Okay, so I have some of my good guy ink here, Namiki Black, a very pretty bottle, one of my favorite blacks. So let's fill up this Nahvalur Aurora fountain pen, part of the Horizons collection, with some black ink. Gives you some instructions, basically telling you to twist it open, dunk it in ink, and close it. I think I can handle that. I've filled my share of pens over the years. So let's take this pen, open it up. Very nice action there, very smooth, very pretty. Gosh, this is such a pretty pen. We're going to dunk it down in there. We're going to close it. Very gentle, very genteel. Pick it up. So what do you think? I guess judging by this ink window, I was successful. Clean off our nib with a nice shop towel. Does a pretty good job of not leaving behind any lint. Definitely want to make sure you get the grip in case it went down under and in. But okay, so we have a very nice fill on our gorgeous pen. Let's try some first strokes and see how this writes, shall we? Okay, so I'm about ready to write with this gorgeous Nahvalur Aurora fountain pen, part of the Horizon collection. It's made out of a beautiful piece of resin, handcrafted, very light on the top of the cap, going to gray, fading all the way down to black by the time you get to the top of the piston fill. So just an incredibly beautiful pen. I'd say it probably ranges more toward the heavier end of pens, but it's not hefty by any stretch of the imagination. But, you know, it's got some substance to it. I would probably write unposted with this pen. I feel like it has nice balance, nice weight. It fits in the length of my hand very comfortably. The grip has a nice rise at the end with the threads there that your finger can sort of rest against, and you can cradle it and know when to stop so that your fingers don't go into the ink. This nib, once again, is their proprietary steel nib made in-house. Absolutely brilliant for a price. $168 pen at this price to get a beautiful ink window, get a nice fill, piston fill, plus a proprietary in-house nib. Steel at $170. Very, very good value. But let's see how it writes, shall we? Ooh, wow. Wow. Very nice. Very elegant. And this is a medium, ladies and gentlemen. I would say it feels on the fine side. Definitely on the fine side. But very nice. The Namiki black ink looks very nice. This is an elegant, smooth writer. I would definitely say it's on the fine side, but very nice. Very smooth. This feels like a nice journaling pen. I could see me taking this to the office. Just a great pen for travel even. Certainly gorgeous. Definitely a showstopper. Absolutely beautiful, brilliant pen. With a very nice nib that feels a bit finer. It sort of reminds me of a Japanese style, where it's a bit on the fine side. But it does have a nice character to it. I'm seeing a bit of line variation just in the different angles of the nib, but super smooth. Nice scribing noise while I write. It's an absolutely beautiful pen. I could see myself getting carried away with this one, ladies and gentlemen. So an absolutely beautiful pen. I wanted to share my first impressions. I have to say I'm over the moon. I am beguiled by this pen. I cannot wait to really start journaling with it. I like that there's metal protecting the cap. I admire this wavy pattern. I kind of wish it were flat, but that's my own personal aesthetics. I do love the resin. The resin has so much depth, and I quite like that this has a bit of texture here at the end to arrest your finger from going too far when you are writing with it. It also posts magnificently, just solidly, reliably. This is not shaking off. So a very substantial pen, a very beautiful, elegant writing instrument. For $178, it is one of the deals of the century. So an absolutely beautiful pen. I cannot wait to dive in more. But I wanted to share it with you, my first impressions. I'm sure you will be seeing more of this soon on the channel. So thanks very much. So, what do you think of the Nahvalur Aurora fountain pen from the Horizon line? Are you as excited about it as I am? It looks like a tremendous value with the piston fill mechanism, a beautiful smooth in-house nib, and that really interesting ink window. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments. Also, if you've watched this long, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love to meet some new people, and I'd love to have you on this journey with us. Also, membership is available. Why not join the channel? It's a great way to support the channel. There's a lot of fun stuff going on behind the scenes. So I make new videos each Friday at noon Eastern, and I have a live show Tuesday night at 8 p.m. So I promise we will see each other very soon, further up the road. So take care.